Starting off weather alert day coverage for Thursday, quiet as we head into the rest of Wednesday afternoon. Yeah, we're going to see a couple showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, but in terms of severe weather, we're not going to be tracking any sort of issues. That's as a complex of showers and even a couple rumbles of thunder continues to push off to the east. In general, we're going to be seeing most of this activity south of Interstate 70, so if you're up in Moberly and points off to the north, you're probably going to be quiet outside of a few clouds throughout the rest of this afternoon. But can't rule out a few showers, and again, that rumble of thunder throughout the rest of this evening for places like Jefferson City down towards the Lake of the Ozarks. So have the umbrella handy, but in general, most of us dry out by the time we get to 10 o'clock this evening. We'll be a little bit mild, and generally speaking, it will feel a little bit muggy out there. Temperatures may actually increase as we head into the overnight hours as well. That's all as moisture pushes in and the potential of some strong to severe storms develops into our Thursday. Could have a couple severe storms that we run into earlier into the afternoon. That would likely be as that warm front lifts to the north, and we could get a couple showers or storms to kind of spark off in the heating of the day. But in general, the widespread threat of severe weather that we're tracking into Thursday is likely going to be sometime into the later evening hours as a line of thunderstorms develops. So let's show you that here with FUTURETRACK, how that develops into Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. Here's those isolated storms that we were talking about. One or two of these could produce a strong wind gust or maybe some pea-sized hail, but those are pretty quick to move on out, and then we're fairly quiet as we head into the evening hours. By the time we get to 10 and 11 o'clock, though, that's where we're starting to see that line develop. As that shifts off to the south, we could see some stronger wind gusts along this, could even see some large hail, maybe even a brief isolated tornado. But in general, it will likely be the damaging wind threat that we're tracking as that complex and line of thunderstorms rolls through our region, and could see that linger into the early morning hours on Friday. Could see another round of showers and storms spark off into Friday afternoon as well. So lots that we're going to need to track here over the next 24 to 48 hours. Storm Prediction Center continues to hold much of mid-Missouri under this level 2 out of 5 risk of severe storms. That slight risk, where we're talking about the potential of those damaging winds, the potential of large hail, isolated tornado can't be ruled out. And something else we're going to have to keep a close eye on is the potential of heavy rainfall and the potential of flash flooding as we're headed Thursday evening and on into our Friday. Other than that, we will continue to track daily storm chances into both Friday and Saturday. Not too terribly widespread, but in general, we start to quiet back down as we're headed into next week, but certainly feeling a little bit more like May. Temperatures are back into the upper 70s with lows back into the 60s.